Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn a really easy way how you can create your own collections and how you can add products to collections in Shopify. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on products and then click collections. So I have already summer collection, but we are going to create a different one. When we're here, you want to create a title. Let's just say winter collection, right? You can make some kind of description if you would like. And now, then you have collection type, add products to this collection one by one, or existing and future products that are match conditions you said will automatically be added to this collection. So this is what I'm going to show you is really important. If I'm going to click manual, I need to add product one by one. But I have option to go with automated, and I have conditions. If you have more products, I recommend going with the conditions. So product tag or product title, let's say that we want to have in winter collection, we will have everything which contains shoes, right? So right now I have a product with title shoes. So you can also make vendor, price, tag, compared, weight, inventory, stock, or variance title. It's really up to you. And then contains, end with, start with, like really up to you what you choose. I really like product title because that's easy. But of course, if you got different kind of products, you want to get different condition. So when we will have it, so okay, we got shoes, click save. Right now, okay, when I click on the collections, I can see the winter collection. And right now when I go to products and I'm going to click on my product, I can see it here, winter collection auto. Really simple, really easy. So let's also try to winter collection, go with the, we can change the condition to back. So let's just delete this. Okay, now create a collection. And now let's go again winter. And let's go with manual. So in the moment when you click on automated and you save it, you are create a collection and you can go back to the manual collections. So let's go with the manual collection, winter. And when I go back to all products and I'm going to click on my shoes, I can choose here winter. So if you go with the manual, you can choose this, okay? So this is like really, really important. So that's kind of it. If you have any questions, just ask down below in the comments and I will try to help you. And if you like this video and if this video was helpful, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it. And you know how it goes. So thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.